Hi. Recently, I recorded a video on my iPhone when I was on holiday. But what I'd also done is I recorded behind the scenes using my Canon M50 just to show you how I actually went about doing it. So in today's video, that is what I'm going to be going through. Hi, if you don't know me, my name is Jason Kruger and I help heart-centered businesses build and automate their online marketing systems. So, as I've said, I recorded a video recently using my iPhone, and I just used some other equipment to help me through that process. And the whole thing cost less than £100. So it's just what I wanted to record that video to show you that you don't need a whole setup like this to record your videos. So just to refresh your memory, here is just the little intro of the video that I actually recorded. Are you looking to create more video in your business, but you don't have the budget to go out and buy all this extra equipment? So as you can see in that little short clip, it's a very similar look to this in that I used the same kind of lighting. So I used some red and some blue in the background. But that was in the small little apartment that we were actually staying in. And that's all I used just to, give the room a bit more atmosphere. Now, in hindsight, I probably should have tidied up the room slightly more. But, I just went ahead and recorded it. Now, I wanted to show you the actual behind-the-scene footage of what it actually looked like from actually behind the iPhone. Are you looking to create more video in your business, but you don't have the budget to go out and buy all this extra equipment? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you what you can do with what you have. Your smartphone. So that is showing you from kind of behind the camera. So in that footage, you can see that I've got the light on me. The phone has been held up by this little contraption. Now, I wasn't using the hand grip. All it was is that it was fitted directly to a cheap tripod. Again, this is not very expensive. Now, all the equipment that I've used in that video, I will post in the description below so you can have a look. But all I did was use these two bits of equipment. Like I said, I didn't have the hand grip. I just had that on there. I use this hand grip when I'm looking to do some vlogs. And the reason I like this holder for the iPhone is that in the top here, if I can show you on there, you can see it's got this little bit in here. If focus, there we go. So as you can see, it's got that little bit in there, which is a bit of a is actually the shoehorn connector. So it means that I can connect things on top. And what I did to light myself in that video is I used this cheap LED panel. And as you can see, I've got that horseshoe connection on there. So all I had to do was slide that in there. And then I had the whole setup like that. And that's why I like that. And again, the links to that is in the description. And that was my whole setup. The only other thing I had was a Lavalier mic that was connected to my iPhone. Again, you'll need to have your lightning to the 3.5mm jack adapter so that you can connect the mic to your iPhone. But that in the whole was what I used. And that then just gives me the better audio and everything is on that tripod. So I've got the tripod, the iPhone holder, the iPhone, the light, and the Lavalier mic all connected in that setup. Now, in the background, all I did is I used some cheap Neewer lights, and they actually come with the gels that you can put on them to create the lighting effect that you want with the different colors. And again, those lights are only around about £40. And again, I have the link in the description below. And so I just positioned those so that it gave me the best lighting in the background. And again, it it just creates a different atmosphere in the normal room and makes it a little bit more exciting for people to watch your video. So as you can see, it didn't take a lot of setup to actually record that video, and the video came out quite well compared to the studio setup. Now, it's never going to be this type of quality, but if you're starting out, it's a great way just to get your message out. Start recording videos, and don't let the tech hold you back to create those videos. So if you like the content of this video and you'd like to see more of it, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button on the channel and click on the notification bells as well, so that you get notified when I next post a video. So I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. As I said, I just was a quick behind the scenes just to show you the setup that I used to record that video, just to show you that it's not that complicated and that anyone can do it. And again, all the links are in the description. So I hope to see you on the next one.